In this video, we'll walk you through how to complete a crop. So this is something like a succession planting that is done halfway through the season or the end of season when frost comes. So you go on your crop planner and you click on complete a crop. So any end of season notes, you planted them in the high tunnel, they didn't have enough water, whatever it might be. Notes that you want to look back on the big overall goals of the plant. Now, you can also put in notes like when you actually harvested, make sure that all of those things are accurate. And any of the notes that you took throughout the season will be in that care observations notes. So you can say, your planting date or when you fertilize them, anything extra that you really want on there, although the planting date is already in there. It just depends how you like that data. And go ahead and save those changes, make sure it's all ready to go, and then you're going to click on complete. So you're going to complete that crop. This is where I had put that there before. I'm going to put that there was somewhat of a crop failure. Maybe half of the stems didn't work out, and then I'm going to complete the crop. It is no longer an active crop on my crop planner, and I now find it under the completed crops tab. So I scroll down to feverfew, I see the year, I see that succession, I see when it was harvested, I see all of the notes on there, so you can begin to compare year to year. The reason this is helpful is because maybe it's something like snapdragons and you're trying to push the envelope and plant some outside, plant some inside. You can see how many crops you lost throughout the year. And it just really is going to become a journal year to year that you can look back on and make better decisions going forward on what plants worked, what didn't, and how you want to do things differently. So make sure that you're using the completed crops tab, but that's all done from the crop planner.